What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series. That's where we pick different Rustoleum colors. We shoot pearls, flakes, even candies sometime over top to create new interesting color combinations that you guys might want to use for your next project. And then you get to rate it 1 through 5, 1 through 10. These are all test spray outs just for fun and to showcase cool products and just different color combinations so you'll know how to get different effects. And we always try to do this thing as cheap as possible on a budget, you know, because not everybody is loaded. I got a fender prepped up behind me today. Had a subscriber reach out to Jeff, that's the owner of Eye Candy Pigments, and asked for a specific pearl over specific colors. And I said, sure, I'll shoot it out. So today we got gloss apple red and gloss orange, and I got a ghost gold eye candy pearl. So that's gold over orange and gold over red. They always look really, really good. What this is going to do exactly over it, how much effect we get and everything else, really just depends on how much pigment we put in the mix. But I think it's going to make for a very interesting spray out and some very vivid results, I'm sure. So game plan is two-tone the fender behind me with both of these colors, and then we'll get into shooting some Ghost Gold Pearl from Eye Candy Pigments. Let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so we got our two Rustoleum colors down, and now you know what time it is. It's time for the pearl, the good stuff. I got my finished one clear here today. Works great with Rustoleum. I never have any issues. It's a 4-to-1 mix. 4 parts clear, 1 part hardener. I'm doing 5 ounces total in the mix. And Eye Candy Ghost Gold, guys. Now, if you've watched any of my other videos and you've seen all the Ghost Gold series, or all the Ghost Pigment series, should I say, these never really disappoint. They're white particle based, so they always cover pretty interestingly. And as far as today goes in the pigment load, like I said, I got 5 ounces in the mix. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a tablespoon into this mix right here, and I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see this mix. Alright, if you haven't seen it before, this is Ghost Gold before I get stirring. Like you see, it's a white particle and you see the gold around it. And as I get to stirring, it will disappear into the mix. You will start to see some gold sheen. And we've done this gold pearl quite a few times. We've also done the solid pearl version. But the ghost pearl, the cool thing about it is when you're out in the sun and the sun hits it, it shows up really vividly. And then it kind of almost disappears when it goes in the shade. But it's a really cool effect. That's why they call it a ghost pearl. But there's one way to find out what it's going to do over these two colors. So let's load up the old paint gun and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so I got my paint gun loaded up with some of this Ghost Gold Pearl from Eye Candy Pigments. This is my Rita paint gun. It's an LVLP. It's got a 1.3 tip. I shoot at 28 PSI wide open trigger. If you want to replicate my settings, feel free to. I'm going to do a light coat on this panel first, check for reactions, and as long as we ain't got any problems, I'm going to do 2 or 3 more coats, and then we're going to take it out in the sun and see what kind of effect we get. I'm going to put the mask on. Let's get the spraying. Alright guys, so Ghost Gold Pearl by Eye Candy Pigments over orange and apple red Rustoleum. Now, a lot of people call this the Iron Man. I call this the Lamborghini orange right here. And I've done this in different variations through different videos, but man, the gold over top of red and over top of orange is some of the absolute craziest and prettiest you can possibly do. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so here's the spray out for today. Ghost Gold Pearl by Eye Candy Pigments over top of orange and red. Now, I think this is a popular color combination. A lot of you guys might have already seen this before, but Jeff did have a subscriber that asked specifically to see Ghost Gold over these two colors, and it's just, man, it's a really simple effect, but a really vivid and cool effect. Like I said, over the orange, you get a Lamborghini orange type effect, and I always love a gold pearl over orange. Over the red, you get more of that Iron Man effect. Obviously with the red, there's a little bit more contrast with the gold, but man, they're both just really, really cool in their own right. But ultimately, guys, it ain't up to me. You guys rate it. Let me know what you thought of the spray out for today. Rate it 1 through 5 or 1 through 10, or however you want to rate it. If you want to spray with Ghost Gold Pearl over any color, most of the time, it always turns out awesome looking. And I'm an affiliate with Eye Candy Pigments, so I can get you guys a discount. Links will be in the description. You just enter WHITLEY while shop at checkout. You'll get a discount, and it goes to help out the channel. And it's a win-win for both of us. The finished one clear, the paint gun I used today, the mask, all that type of stuff is in my Amazon store if you want to purchase it for your next project. Links will be in the description. Just click the one that says As Seen on YouTube. It'll take you to my Amazon store where you can purchase everything I use on the channel for the same price as me, guys. And we get a small kickback, but it don't cost you guys anything extra, and you get all the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else they have to offer. If you enjoyed this spray out today, if you find yourself coming back to the channel constantly watching it, please take a second, if you haven't already, and hit that subscribe button. It helps me out tremendously. Ring that bell notification so I can continue to do these crazy spray outs and you can get notified every time I put a new one out. And obviously, we also do paint jobs, tutorials, a little bit of everything on this channel, so you just never know what's coming on the next episode of Whitley Auto Works. Please take a second before you click off this video to something else to hit that like button. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of today's spray out. And go back down the rabbit hole, guys. I've got many spray outs, different color combinations that you can choose for your next project. And if there's one you just don't see, then leave it in the comments and I'll get to it as soon as possible. We're doing more stuff all the time and I'm pumping these things out as fast as I can. But I appreciate you guys for watching today. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.